Hi, my name is Peter, I'm a sculptor, you are on my channel, and today I want to talk to you about my new project. So, me and my wife decided to split, and she left me with some nail polish, a little bit. I'll show you. Yeah, this is polish. And this is some polish. And this is also some polish. Okay, so a little bit of nail polish. So I have around 800 of these bottles. Some of them are old, and I decided to make a sculpture about my wife with these bottles. So I already made this base, wooden base. I need to make it a little more smooth, and then I will attach these bottles to this base. So I think it's an interesting idea, and I hope it will came out good. Let's look. So I cleared all the bottles, I peel out all stickers, I paint my base sculpture, here it is. So I am ready to start mounting process. I'm ready to attach these bottles to this sculpture. I will try it from the back bottom part so I can figure out the best way to attach it. Okay, let's get to work. So the sculpture is ready. It took me about 2 weeks to finish it, 500 bottles. During the process I decided to paint base sculpture in black. Overall I think it looks great. Tell me what do you think, and see you in the next video. Bye!